and good. Okay? So, now I'm going to deal with that butter. Your butter, you're better off not having your butter out of the fridge too early. Really, it's better you take it from the fridge and then you decide yourself the softness of your butter. Why? Because it's important in lamination that your butter and your dough are sort of equal in terms of softness. I'm going to put some butter or flour on top of my butter, sorry. And I'm going to start tapping it. I'm tapping it to make it, of course, not like a rectangular shaped butter on top of my dough, but also it's going to soften my butter to the point I want. There you go, turning it into something squarer. And I'm going to tap it again to make sure it's getting more and more pliable.